Hello everyone, welcome back to Thumbnail Pigeon. It has been 26 days of plugging feathers and the new feathers are arriving about 2.5 inches long. You can see here everyone, and their feathers are good enough. I think that new feathers are shiny, smooth and strong, which we need and which I was searching for that. We need to give them bath also. Soon I will give them bath because this is in this weather we will not give them bath because it is not much sunlight type of weather, sunny weather. And you can see their wings are, their feathers are little fit. This is Saleti, to whom I have plucked 5 feathers and one is arriving small. That was her, that was herself naturally feathers removed. I have not plucked that small one feathers. I think they are good enough. I have been giving them vitamins in water and many things, other things in water. And this is Kagzi. See this Kagzi wings. In from today, after 26 days, we will not give them vitamin water and other things. We have already add their protein in their feed. So in today part I am going to show you giving natural herbal grit for pigeons, to whom I have already shown you in another previous video. That link is in description. This making the process of making this herbal grit link I have kept in description. Please see it there if you need how to make this herbal grit. So for all pigeons, this herbal grit are very important for their digestive system and other things. So I will keep this herbal grit in this cup. Then I will keep this herbal grit in pigeons loft. First I am keeping this in this cup. This herbal grits benefit are very much. This is very useful for pigeons health. I will show you their ingredients in this screen. You can see this natural herbal grit I will give for 5 days only. I will keep this in loft. I will show you how to keep this herbal grit to pigeons. I will keep this in all lofts for 5 days. So I will be keeping this natural herbal grit in pigeons all time side of this loft. I will keep all time this herbal grit. In previous video I have already shown you how to make this herbal grit. Here in another loft also I have kept this. In all loft we will keep this herbal grit. In this breeder section also I'm keeping this herbal grit. after eating some feed, they will be eating this herbal grit for their digestion, and this grit is very useful for pigeons digestion and many other things also. I'm using this grit for all pigeons. And after this, or giving herbal grit to these all pigeons, we need to give fresh water for them. We will not give vitamin, mineral, and other nutritional essence for their pigeons. Now I'm going to give this fresh water to these all pigeons. I will not keep any other vitamin, mineral, calcium in their water after 26 days of plucked feather. I've kept in one loaf, now I will keep in another also. Like this we will keep to all pigeons this fresh water. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to